Yes, ma'am. I can see.
Okay. So first thing, now I have imported pandas first thing, and then we have a data frame over here. Now I want to create a CSV file of it. I have given all the data information. Now I want to create a CSV file or a Excel file, right? So I will run the data frame now. This is my data. Okay, this is my data. I want to convert to CSV file. How to convert? To CSV. To CSV will be used to convert a data frame or a data to a CSV file. Okay?
Okay,
To
ma'am.
data frame, and we are giving the name of the CSV file and why index should be false. I'll tell you what will happen. So if the index is true, or we are not specified anything regarding index, it will take it as true. Now, if I run this, as you can see, it has been run successfully. When I go to this files over here, as you can see, 1 minute, a new file has been created, right? A student cs.csv file has been created. If I click on this and if I download this, let it download. So it has created me a CSV file. Over here, as you can see, a CSV file has been created successfully. Now, if I open it, okay, in my download session, I have a CSV file created. Now, if I open this, it will take a while. As you can see, in CSV file, we have given here only 3 rows. I mean 3 columns, right? One is in the data frame, as you can see here. We have given name, age, and university, right?
Yes, ma'am.
We have given only 3 columns, but in our CSV file, you can see 4 columns. What is that 4th column? It is a second. Why my laptop is acting like this? It has created a one more column for index because it's a data frame. Pandas will give the index default. So if I give here comma index is false, and I will create a new CSV file. You can see here a new CSV file has been created. But in this CSV file, you don't see any indexes. Okay, you don't see any indexes. As you can see, there is no index anymore, right? That is that is how you create a data frame into a CSV file. To CSV is a keyword to convert it to CSV file. Got it?
Ma'am,
Understood?
how to convert it, ma'am? If you write this, it will convert, ma'am.
Yes, if I just write a code over here, for example, I'm doing one code over here. As you can see here, I have read the CSV file. It has, I will teach what is all this code. Okay, I will give you all this information as well. I'm writing a code over here. As you can see here, I had cleaned this data. Okay, it had so much missing values, a lot of inconsistency. So I have seen it's not null anymore. And now if I see here, I have cleaned the data and converted into a CSV file. Okay, it was a non-clean data. This was a non-clean data. Now it has, now after cleaning, I have converted into CSV file and I have downloaded it. Okay, you can see here a new file has been created. It will create a new file here. See, got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it? This
Yes,
is
ma'am.
after you're cleaning data, after you're done with your data and you wanted the clean, precise data. And after doing all that operation in Python, you can download that file. And after downloading the file, mainly why it is used, after downloading this file, I can load it into, after cleaning, after doing after treating the all the inconsistency, looking into the outliers, all this will come into picture. I will take up in the next upcoming classes about all that. So after doing everything, you can download that file, and then we can move it to the next step, that is uh, to Power BI or any creating dashboards, all such things. Okay, this is the
Okay,
use
ma'am.
of it. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
understood?
Yes, ma'am.
This is to convert to CSV file. Now, for example, now I have a CSV file over here. Now I want to load my CSV file. I want to load my CSV file. How do I load it? Now I will um, click on this. This is the upload button. Okay. Now, if I click on this, I have got all my data. For example, I'll show this only now. Okay. I have opened this. Now, as you can see here, it has to load. So here you can see a Netflix title dot. This is my CSV file. Now, how do I read this? How do I read this? I will give here Netflix. Okay. Netflix is PD dot. This is pandas dot read underscore CSV. What we are reading? Read CSV. We are reading a CSV file, and then inside the inside this we are passing the path of this file. Where the path is. Now, if I paste the path in the quotes, you have to pass it in the quotes. You can see here. Now, if I run this, sorry, CSV. Okay, it has run successfully. Now, if I give Netflix, you can see here you have all your data information, right? Show time or whatever there in our CSV file, you can see it over here. Got it? That means it has read it successfully and we have got our data loaded into our Python page. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Got it? To CSV is to convert the data frame to a CSV file. Read CSV is we are uploading the CSV file to a Python page. Okay?
Okay.
Got it? Understanding? Any
Yes.
confusion till here?
No, ma'am.
How to read and how to? This is how to read and this is how to download the CSV file. Okay, one more topic I think so I'm missing for you here. Got that. The condition I didn't teach, right? How to give the conditions.
No, ma'am.
Huh, okay. Before I go to group by, I'll finish this. Okay, now let me just 1 second. Now this is my data. Okay. For example, I just want to know who the in this data whose age is less than 18. Okay. Whose age is less than 18. In this whole data, I'm giving the condition. See, we are giving the condition whose age is less than or equal to 18. So this is how you write. Now you want the data. What data you have? All the data you want. In this age, this column, this is the column I'm comparing whose is greater than 18. Okay, less than 18. As you can see here, Sam and his age, Will and his age has been created. We have got the answer for it, for this condition. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, I just want the name of them. I know their age is less than 18, but I don't want to know how much it is. So at that time, I'm passing here one more thing, that I just want to select the name. I don't want the age column at all. So I can give here, as you can see, only name is visible. Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, if I want to see more than more than 40. We can give multiple condition as well using and or. As you can see, whose are more than 18. I will pass or data, age, less than or equal to 18. Now you can see.
And
Sorry?
one more bracket should be closed from here. Data
No, no, it's closed properly.
closed.
This or is or this. Pass it in the okay. This is for or and this is for so we cannot write or and like that. We have to there is a symbols for or is this is for or. Okay, and comma, the and symbol is for and. Okay, these are the symbols. Or this straight line is for or and symbol is for and conditions. Getting?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, that's a reason it throw me an error. Okay, got it?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
So this is how you give condition, or when you want to check anything from your data, you can use this conditions to do it. So, got it? Now I have a question. Okay, now I want to, now this is the data we have. Now there is a question saying that I want to group all age under 25 into one group and all age under more than 25 into different group. Okay, now this is my questions. Now I have this is how do we do it? I will come back to that data set again. Before that, we will look into different data set. Okay, 1 second. Let me just load it. Good. Okay, this is my employee data set. Okay, I will group it. Now I have in groups, I have A, O. These are the blood groups of each and every employee in my company. Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Now I want to group them into different categories. I want all the blood groups whose A is in one category, O in different category, B in different category, B in different category. So how do I do this? This is a huge data set. I'm so sorry, I loaded a lot. Okay, anyways, we can do this. So yes, now I have to make this is a data set. I want to make a sub data set into I have to divide them into different groups. So whose blood group is A in the different group, O in the different group, AB in the different group, B in the different group. So how do I do it? By using group by function. Group by function. Okay. Here I will group by with. What am I grouping by with? With groups. Blood groups. Right. Name of the column is groups.
Blood.
Groups. Okay, so each set I am dividing into, I'm creating a sub data set of each blood groups and I'm assigning it to a different name. So this has been grouped now. After grouping each section of data, I'm naming it to a different name. So this group dot get group, whoever has a blood group, make it into, say, A blood. Okay, A group. I'll make it as A group. Then I have to do for B. No, I'll create for O group. B group. B. Then next one is AB group is equal to group dot get group. AB. Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I have, now if I just call for A group, if I go for A group, as you can see here, whoever blood group is A is been sectioned into is been created a sub, what you call, data set. We have created a new data set whose blood group is A. The list of everything is been visible. Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Confusion here?
No, ma'am.
Okay, if I want to see the average salary whose blood group is A, how do I do it? So here is in the, so we have created a sub data set, right? So in this, I'm seeing the mean of it. A group of salary dot mean. Mean is average. So if I just click on this, sorry, I think so. Yes, it's in the lowercase. Yes. As you can see, the average salary, you have got it. Getting my point?
Yes.
Understanding? Any confusion?
Ma'am, for average, you have used mean, no, ma'am.
Sorry?
For finding average.
Huh. Average is nothing but mean.
Ah, yes. Okay.
Average is same thing. What is the formula for average is sum of everything divided by
Number.
number of values. Right? It is same
Yes,
thing as
ma'am.
mean as well. Mean is also same as average. Okay.
Okay.
Now we can do now if I just call for AB group, you got all the information of the employee who has blood group as AB. All the information of them you have gotten. So that's a use of group by function. Understanding? Any confusion about
No,
group
ma'am.
by?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So I will give you a different data set. You need to do it by yourself once. Okay. Try to understand how to do group by. First thing is you need to group by which columns you want to make it into a different categories. So first you will pass group by. Okay. This is the name of the data. I have made it into a see here I have given employee, right? I have read this data set and have loaded to a variable. Okay, so that dot group by whatever I want to group by, use the name of the column, and then I'm giving each of the name of the column into different names. Okay, so here I've grouped by using uh blood blood, right? So here I'm grouping by AB. I have given each category into different names. That's all. Get group and then done. And then we can, if I call for any of it, you will get. Oh, so here if I just call for O group. O O group. If I just pass for all the employees who has O blood group, you have got all their information. Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll give you a different data set, okay? You need to try it by yourself using group by function. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Oh. So then we have learned about append all that in our previous section for NumPy. Same thing we have for pandas as well. Okay, we will learn more about it today. Okay, now I have a data set over here that is a name, age, and university. Now I want to create a new line. I want to give a new column for it. Okay, that is city. So I will create like data of city date because there is no name as city over here, right? So I have to create a new column. I'm giving the new column name and their values. Just remember that how many values are there, how many columns are, how many rows are there. So much element should be present. Okay. So if I run this, if I call for data, as you can see, new column has been created for city. Right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, for example, I want to rename the whole column names. I don't want it to be city first name, last name, not like that. I want to create a new call, renaming the columns. So I will call for data dot columns. Okay. Whatever columns you have, I am renaming it to different names. Okay. If I run this and run for the data, as you can see, new column name has been created for each and every columns. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Any confusion?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now I don't want current age at all. I want to remove the current age. Okay. Now if I just drop it, drop is used to delete the value. Delete the value. Okay. If I so it is a column I'm deleting, so I'm passing the axis to be 0. Okay, now if I run this, as you can see here, the current age is been deleted. But if I go back and run this, as you can see, current age is still there. It is not deleted completely, or it is deleted temporarily. Okay, if I run again over here, if I go down over here and run it again, you can still see current age is available still, right? It is not deleted permanently. Now if I just create a new data one is equal to this, and if I drop it, so here it has been dropped successfully, and if I drop for this, you can see. And so what has happened is the even we have dropped it and we have given this data to a different we have assigned into a different category. Now you can see this will contain everything else other than current age. But for example, if I want to do permanent change to my data set, if I want to do permanent change to my data set, I need to use impasse. Impasse is true. When impasse is false, it will not do permanent tab page. If the impasse is true, that means it will delete the column completely. Okay, as you can see, it has been deleted successfully. Now, if I go back and run for data over here, still, as you can see, the current age has been deleted permanently, right? I'm going back to my code and running. Still, it has been deleted. There is a permanent change in my data. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Only thing is impasse has to do, and so when you're doing handling the missing values, and when you want to delete them completely, you need to use impasse is equal to true. If you don't write anything, it will default considered as to be false, and it will not do any permanent changes to my data. It will only do temporary changes. So if you change it complete, if you make it impasse as false, I mean true, there will be permanent change in my data. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
understanding? Drop.
Yes, ma'am.
We have learned to drop, renaming of columns, and adding a new column. Okay. Okay. So I have created a new column over here that is for marks. Okay. I want, see, these are in the total marks of each and every student. But I want to uh, know the percentage of it. I want to know per subject how much marks he has been scored. This is for uh, five subject he has scored 201. Okay, now each subject, what I'll do, I have to do one thing I have to do is divide each and every marks of the students by 5. Okay, so how do I do it? Using apply method. Here I am changing this column by applying, by doing application. Lambda is the function. Lambda is the function. Each so if for the x is considered to be in the marks, this is the x value. So each and every marks is divided by 5. This function is applied for each and every rows in this column. Okay? Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is applied for each and every column. As you can see, the date you have got marks for each and every data. Okay, now I will rename it. So here, first name, university, location, and marks per subject. So you can see it has been renamed. Okay, understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, for example, I have this index. Okay, now I want to sort the index. Now I have renamed the index just to show it for you. So here I have index given in the random way. Now I want to arrange the index in the ascending order. So there is two types. One is sort index, sort values. Sort index will only sort the index values. The sort value will arrange the values. Okay, first let's learn about sort index. So if I say ascending is true, when the ascending, so we need to give ascending is true. When the ascending is true, it will arrange it in the ascending order. If the ascending is false, it will arrange in the descending order. So if I run this, as you can see, the index has been arranged in the ascending order. Okay, if the index is false, ascending is false, it is arranged in the descending order. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Last is I want to arrange marks in this marks per subject in the ascending order. I want to see who has scored the highest. Okay, who has scored the highest. So at that time, so I will sort the values first. By what? Here we are not specifying by, because we all know there is only one column for index, so that will get arranged. But in the values, there are so many columns, right? So by which column you want to arrange? So arrange in is become false. Okay, who has scored the highest we want. So we will to the descending order. As you can see, the highest has been scored by this person. Okay. It has been arranged in the descending order. These are the different and main main use of pandas. All such operation for big amount of data can be done only using pandas. Okay?
Okay.
Any confusion till here?
No, ma'am.
So yes, we have completed pandas for you. So I will give you few data sets. So you need to work by yourself. First thing is you need to create your own data frame and convert into a CSV file. Second, you need to I will give you a data set. You need to read the data set and use the group by function to group by and find the average, minimum, maximum, and sum. Okay, you just need to change. So here, if I just give here minimum, okay, if I just give here the salary with the minimum salary, okay. So if I run this, as you can see, the minimum salary is 675. Got it? Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
If I just want to see their ID, what will I have to pass? ID. So once again, let me share this. So here, what was the issue is because we are passing minimum, so we have to create a where So we need to look into this file. Okay. A group, I want to see in the A group, the salary is equal to minimum. This is the one category. This one I want to see whose salary is minimum. I'm creating it and then I'm seeing only their ID. Got it? Here I can pass the different healthy age. If I say for age, I just pass age over here to get the age as well. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the end of the pandas session for you. From tomorrow, I think we'll do the remaining things which we have to do. Okay. Okay, I don't have it here. So I will look into it. So remaining Python question, Python, whatever we have, we will finish that and then we'll start working with the missing values. Okay, missing values. After missing values, we need to first thing we need to create a nice data frame without any missing values, without any outliers, without any duplicate values. All such things has to be handled. Then only we can proceed with the our conclusions, right? First step of data analytics is always cleaning of the data. Very important step. So we will learn about that in details. Then we will learn how to plot a graph in Python. I don't think so you have it in your SQL, I mean in your syllabus. So I'm going to skip those. If it is there, definitely I'll take it up. And then we have, then we'll start with Excel for you.